Uh-oh, we got a flat tire. Well, there's your problem. Hi everyone, we got a flat tire on the Avanza. So today we are going to take that out, put in the spare wheel, and I'm sweaty and I've got a bruised lip. So let's stop seeing me and take a look at the car. So what we want to do is lift the car up, bring this wheel up, take that off, and take the spare tire and put it on there so that we can drive off to the tire shop and get this wheel repaired. This wheel has run over a nail of some sort, and so there's a small hole there which lets the air out slowly. So usually if you hit a nail, if you run over a nail, you won't realize it until the next day when you come down to your car park and you see that the wheel has gone flat. And you can't drive the car like this, because if you drive it, of course you have loss of control, and you'll damage the tires. So we just want to get that off as quick as possible and put the spare wheel on. And here are the only tools we need for this job. We have the scissor stands and spanner which come with your car. You just want a nice surface to sit on so you don't have to sit on the floor, and some gloves. And on the first generation Avanza, this is a 2011 Avanza, the spare tire is not inside the car, it's actually underneath. So here's the spare tire, right underneath the boot. And to get that off, open the boot. And we need to loosen this. So just grab this spanner that comes with the car, undo this bolt. Okay, now the spare wheel is out. You can use the scissor stand to lift up the car. Uh-oh, we have a problem. The scissor jacks didn't raise the car enough, so with a fully inflated spare tire, it's not able to be installed onto the car. Luckily, I had a second scissor jack, which lets me take off the first scissor jack and place a plank underneath it and raise the car again. So pro tip, if you are doing this, maybe you want to just have a plank or a very flat rock and place that underneath your scissor jacks. Of course, since I had a second scissor jack, I could have just placed the plank under the second scissor jack, but I just wanted to show you that the jack that comes with the Avanza can be used. You just might have to prop it up a bit. I'm not sure if this is due to a problem with my car's suspension, or if all Avanzas will have this problem. Now that our spare tire is on, we can drive to any tire shop and ask them to fix the puncture. This will only take 5 minutes and should cost you maybe 7 to 10 ringgit. tire shop will inflate your tire for you, but never trust the tire shop to inflate it to the right level. So drive over to any petrol station and set the correct pressure for your tire and pump it up. Now that your tire is fixed, you can take the spare tire off and put the usual tire back on. On the first generation Avanza, the spare tire is the exact same size as the usual tire, so you can inflate the spare tire to the same pressure that you would inflate the usual tires. So remember to keep your spare tire inflated in case this happens in the future. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my other videos on maintaining my wife's Toyota Avanza. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!